Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Just a quick one. I just got this Maxpedition Mesh Pouch, which I thought was pretty cool. On some of the reviews, has 3 pockets in it, but again, listen to the sound of it. There are 3 zips, so I'm going to replace these 3 zips just with these pull ties I got from AliExpress. And first, make sure they're not the kind of zip that has a mechanism behind it where you actually need to pull the metal pull tie to pull up the mechanism, which these aren't, they're just loose. So I can just safely cut these off. One, and then just bend it so I can get it out. 1, 2, the last one at the back, 3. And then I'm just going to feed these through. One, one on top, and one at the rear. Easy peasy. Now this as well, actually I'm not going to use this carabiner. I'm going to replace this. I'm going to replace that. As good as it is at the moment, I like it as it is, but I'm going to put a continuous loop in here, which I've made out of lashet, some Dyneema lashet. It's a 3-inch loop, so I'm going to replace that in there. So I might splice it into it and leave it like that, leave it in there, and then I could also put a carabiner onto that if I wanted to, or else I could yes, I might splice it onto it, or else clove hitch it onto it like so. But zips gone. Much better. My continuous loop. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and hope everybody's well. If you haven't subscribed yet, like, subscribe, and all those kind of good things. And I'll catch you again in another video. Over and out.